Hello and welcome to $3 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. In a bold legal move that has sent ripples through India's crypto ecosystem, CoinSwitch, one of the country's leading crypto exchanges, has initiated legal proceedings against rival platform WazirX. The lawsuit alleges breach of contract, intellectual property violations, and unfair trade practices by WazirX, marking a significant escalation in the competitive race to dominate India's crypto market. CoinSwitch announced the legal action in a series of tweets outlining its grievances against WazirX. While the exact details of legal action remain undisclosed, sources suggest that CoinSwitch is seeking to address a range of issues, including alleged violations of Indian regulations and competition laws. While cumulatively, CoinSwitch have Rs 12.4 crore in INR, Rs 28.7 crore in ERC20 tokens, and Rs 39.9 crore in other tokens on WazirX. This amounts to about 2% of all funds of CoinSwitch. Well, WazirX has not yet officially responded to the lawsuit. However, the company is reportedly preparing a counter-defense, with sources hinting at potential counterclaims. The clash between two of India's largest exchanges could set a precedent for how legal disputes within the crypto industry are handled in the country. BlackRock will list its iShares Ethereum trust on Brazil's B3 exchange on Wednesday, according to local media outlet Portal DogeCoin. The ETF will trade under the ticker code ETHA39 as a Brazilian depository receipt, a certificate that represents shares of foreign companies traded in the South American country. Well, in March, BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF also started trading on the Brazilian stock exchange, which has now become a solid market for institutional products. Now, beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum, the Brazilian Securities and Exchange Commission also recently approved two Solana-based ETFs to be listed on B3. In August, BlackRock's ETHA surpassed $1 billion in cumulative net inflows in the US, becoming the first of 11 issuers to cross that mark in net inflows. The Bitwise Bitcoin ETF will soon add an additional $120 million of Bitcoin to its assets under the management after acquiring the assets of Osprey Bitcoin Trust, or OBTC. Well, the deal, revealed in an August 27 joint statement between Bitwise Asset Management and Osprey Funds, has seen the two enter into an asset purchase agreement. Part of the transaction will see OBTC unit holders receive shares of BITV as they liquidate their shares of OBTC. Subject to closing conditions, it is expected to close later this year. Osprey said it had begun considering a potential sale or liquidation after it found that units in the trust were trading at a discount to the value of Bitcoin. Former President Donald Trump is out with another collection of digital trading card NFTs, which were once a lucrative business line for the Republican nominee. Now, this time around, Trump's fourth collection will offer high rollers a piece of the candidate's suit from his debate with President Joe Biden, according to a post on social media platform Truth Social. People who spend $24,750 on the cards will also get access to Trump sneakers, Trump cocktails, and dinner at Trump National Golf Club in Jupiter, Florida with Trump. So in his most recent financial disclosures, Trump revealed that his NFT businesses had netted him well over $1 million in crypto. Cardano, launched by Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson in 2017, is approaching its biggest upgrade in 2 years, with the Chang hard fork set for September 1. This upgrade will introduce on-chain governance, allowing ADA token holders to vote on proposals and elect representatives, marking a shift towards a community-run governance structure outlined in the CIP 1694 proposal. While the upgrade is part of Cardano's Voltaire era, which aims to make the network self-sustaining, the hard fork was delayed to give exchanges, including Binance, time to prepare. The Reserve Bank of India is launching the Unified Lending Interface (ULI), a centralized platform designed to streamline loan process by allowing banks and financial institutions to offer quick loans to Indian customers after a simple credit check. While the ULI, modeled after the UPI, is a response to the rise of predatory Chinese loan apps that target low-income Indian citizens with high-interest short-term loans and then convert the proceeds into cryptocurrencies to evade detection. While the ULI aims to centralize credit data, increase transparency, and protect citizens from such predatory practices by ensuring loans are provided through verified and safe platforms backed by the RBI. The Reserve Bank of India is proposing a plug-and-play system for cross-border payments to improve interoperability between countries particularly in light of emerging fast payment systems and CBDCs. RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das highlighted the need for a flexible system that respects each country's sovereignty while ensuring global compatibility. Despite challenges in achieving true interoperability, such as technical barriers and the need for a sustainable governance structure, the RBI aims to enhance efficiency in cross-border transactions, an ongoing focus for international bodies like the G20. So India's leadership in exploring CBDCs and its upcoming digital asset regulations further align with these global efforts. The UAE has become the third largest country in crypto adoption, driven by progressive regulations, zero capital gains tax, and strong government support. According to a study by Henley and partners, only Singapore and Hong Kong rank higher. The UAE's crypto-friendly environment, including Dubai's long-standing support for digital assets and the recent approval of Tether's dirham-pegged stablecoin, has contributed to this surge. Additionally, the country leads in crypto ownership, with over 30% of population owning digital assets. Since August 9, Alameda Research has transferred 698,312 WLD to Binance as part of its strategy to pay off creditors following a $12.7 billion court order. The company's major assets include 98.86 million PIT, which is valued around $78.8 million, and 24.3 million WLD, valued around $26.2 million. But bid sales are expected to begin in November, which could significantly impact the crypto market. So Alameda's aggressive debt repayment strategy and upcoming PIT sales will be closely watched by investors, as they may lead to notable market fluctuations. Rhodium Enterprises, a Bitcoin mining company, has filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy in Texas, citing potential liabilities of up to $100 million. The filing, made in August 24, includes 6 subsidiaries and comes after the company failed to repay $54 million in loans. Well, Rhodium's debts range between $50 million and $100 million, while its assets are between $100 million and $500 million. So the bankruptcy allows Rhodium to reorganize its debts and continue operations. The company has been impacted by declining profits due to the bear market, Bitcoin halving, and rising energy costs. So that's all in the bulletin today. Keep watching 3.0 for more such updates, and do log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off.